The ideal prime rib is not undercooked, it's not overcooked, it's that perfect medium rare from edge to edge. And the secret to that is Le Creuset's enameled cast iron roaster. We're just looking to get a nice sear. It's gonna take about 10 minutes. The roast is going into the oven at a surprisingly low temperature of 200 degrees. It's gonna cook for 2.5 to 3 hours. When your roast is between 100 and 110 degrees, it's time to turn off the oven. And here's the cool part. The heat retention of this cast iron roaster gives you that gentle glide to medium rare perfection from edge to edge, top to bottom. And with a feast like this, it's time to celebrate.